A last-ditch effort to keep Ottawa County's top health administrator from being removed failed today. A Muskegon judge determined that the Ottawa County Board of Commissioners can terminate Adeline Hambly with just cause, setting up a hearing scheduled for tomorrow morning. News 8's been following the ongoing political saga in Ottawa County. Amanda Porter joining us in studio with the details on today's hearing. Amanda.
The Michigan Court of Appeals ruled that Adeline Hambly has her position fairly, and if the board wants to fire her, they can do so with just cause. The case was sent to a judge in Muskegon who listened to arguments from Hambly's attorney, who requested to stall the termination hearing due to several reasons. But Ottawa County's attorney says the court had no legal authority to enforce a stay or a preliminary injunction.
County of Muskegon is now in session. The Honorable Jenny L. McNeil presiding.
Ottawa County's health administrator took the legal fight to keep her job to Muskegon County, where her lawyer, Sarah Howard, requested the judge to stay a termination hearing set by the Ottawa County Board of Commissioners.
Until such time as you can make legal rulings on some of the issues at stake. Some of those include the standard for decision, whether it's a just cause standard for decision that must be supported by substantial evidence.
Howard also wanted the board to demonstrate that the charges are the actual reason and that there is not a pretext for Hambly's termination. Dave Coleman, Ottawa County's attorney, argued that a Muskegon court doesn't have jurisdiction to enforce an order vacated by the Michigan Court of Appeals.
This court does not have jurisdiction or authority to do what they're requesting. The plaintiff can't make it up. There is no power source, Judge, giving this court authority to issue a stay, period.
Judge Jenny McNeil's ruling.
I don't think that I have the authority to say how exactly this hearing is going to look. I don't think I have any authority to do that.
The motion was denied and the termination hearing will occur. Both attorneys sharing their thoughts on the judge's motion.
This is a hearing that's being followed, that we're following the law and we're doing what the law requires, as the judge just said.
I think the board is going to vote exactly how they did on January 3rd. They wanted to do that from the beginning. They've tried various ways of getting there. They want to appoint someone who politically aligns with them, which is not what MCL 46.11 stands for. But I think we've all seen this coming since January 3rd, and I think we're going to get the exact same outcome that we did on January 3rd.
The termination hearing is scheduled for 8 o'clock tomorrow morning at the County Administration Building in West Olive. Brian.